guys, this is GOONINWIFE and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with a very exciting video which is another Chanel haul! I'm not sure if you guys catching my previous video, but I showed you a short clip where I received a box at a hotel. That was this bag. So I purchased this bag at Nordstrom in Seattle. So and they ship it to the hotel that I was staying in San Francisco. So that's how I received it. I also filmed an unboxing video, and that video was so bad. Like my hair was all messy and I didn't have any makeup on, so I couldn't really use that video. So I'm refilming the unboxing video, so everything has been opened before and I just put together nicely so that I can film the video again. Without any further ado, I'm gonna show you what I got. This is what the box looks like. This is pretty big. If you open up the box, there's a tissue paper like this. So this is what the dust bag looks like, and in front it says Chanel. And if you open it, there's a drawing of Coco Mademoiselle. Inside of this dust bag, there is the bag in question. And if I remove this, and da-da-da, this is Chanel Classic medium to large flap in black caviar and with gold hardware. So this is it. Can't believe I have this bag. So I finally got my hands on this bag. I'm sweating. I don't know why it's so hot. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the bag in detail. So this is Chanel Classic medium to large flap in black caviar with gold hardware. And this is what the bag looks like. The front, and there's straps. But if you open the flap, this has double flaps. And this one is made in France. And in the first flap, it has a zipper compartment, and there's also a slot here, but I don't think I'm gonna use this. And inside the second flap, there is a large CC logo. It's gorgeous. And inside, it has some pockets. There are two pockets and one small slot for lipstick. And there's a slot in the front here, and also there's a back pocket. And this bag was retailed for $5,300, and like I said, I bought it at Nordstrom in Seattle. Yay! So I'm going to show you the size of this bag. So width is about 22.5 centimeters. The height is 16 centimeters. The depth is about 7.5 centimeters. To compare with my Chanel Mini, this one is definitely wider. And if you look at this like so, you can kind of see the difference. This one, the width of this bag is 20 centimeters, so there's about 2.5 centimeters difference. So this one looks a lot larger than this one. So the width is almost similar, and the height of the medium is a little bit taller, but not too much. This one looks taller because of the double flap, but other than that, just the width itself is the main difference. These two came in the same season, which is in spring 2018, but the caviar leather in this bag is a lot shinier than this one, as you can see. With the lighting, this one is a lot shinier. You can tell the difference in shine. And also, they are both in gold hardware. it's a little bit different. The one in this mini bag is champagne gold, so in some lights it looks like silver. It's very light gold, whereas in this bag, this is definitely just plain gold. So when you open the inside, this one only has one flap, whereas classic flap has two. So this is the difference inside. And also inside of the leather, this one is a lot shiny than this one. So there are some major difference in caviar leather. Since this one is shiny and it has some kind of a light gold hardware, this one is more casual, I think. Although they are in the same caviar and also same hardware, they look very different. So I'm very pleased with these two purchases. And also one of the major difference of these two bags are the top. So this one, the medium flap, has 4 holes for the strap, whereas the mini has only 2. For this one, mainly 2 ways to wear this bag, so you can either double the straps or you can just have long one strap. So I'm gonna show you a mug shot and share different ways to wear this bag. So this is what the bag looks like on me. For your reference, I am 5'3" or 163 centimeters. So this is the Chanel Classic medium to large flap. Right now I'm wearing it as a long strap. So it hits just around my hip bone. So this is a perfect length for my height. And if I wanna wear it double strap and wear it shorter, don't mind the price tag. I'm gonna take it out, but it's a little bit shorter, but this is something I can definitely wear like so. I guess I can kind of try to wear crossbody, but this is a lot shorter. I mean, I can try, I can do it. This is how it looks like crossbody. And I also wanted to do a mug shot with these two bags. So this one is Chanel New Mini, and this is the bag that I recently purchased, medium to large flap. And this is the difference. So with one long strap, this one definitely falls lower on my body. So this one hits around my thigh, whereas this one just hits about here. So this one is okay, but it's a little bit too long on me. But I can definitely wear like this. But compared to this bag, this one looks a lot longer. But if I wear a crossbody, this is perfect too. So there are pros and cons of these two bags. I like how I can wear a lot shorter. And also, I love the length of this bag when wearing with one shoulder strap like this. But I like the versatility and also the casual vibe of this bag too. So that was it for my Chanel Classic medium to large flap unboxing slash small comparison video. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button down below. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave comments down below. And also if you have any video requests about a comparison video or anything that you want me to film, be sure to leave comments down below as well, and I'll try to film some videos for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!